How many children do you have?
23, 22 baby mother.
I get 29 kids and 28 baby mother. You understand me? I mean, I have enough more.
You're probably wondering why I played those two videos back to back. Ninjaman stating how many kids he has and the amount of women he got pregnant. Well. When you swing all over the place, is a possibility to say kids gonna crawl out from different angle and claim that you're their daddy. And that's what happened on TikTok. Shout out to my cousin who sent me the video on TikTok. Somebody say Ninja the pa. Let's watch and see what's going on.
People say Ninjaman, I'm a father and they don't believe me. We look alike, and so look alike, look. I'm a father in a real life. I swear I'm a father in a real life. No capping, I'm a father in a real life. Him just disown me because he did tell my mother say, my mother gave me jacket. I'm a father. The boy just disowned me. I'm a father for real.
It seems like Ninjaman saw the clip and he went ahead and wrote a letter to address this situation. Check it out.
Before we get into the letter, you hear him address Ninjaman? The boy? Him writing? No, sir. Ninjaman gonna dog him up. Anyways, before we continue, beg you like the video. Yeah, this is coming from a doctor. Beg you like the video, please. By liking the video, you're helping me to grow the channel. Don't cuss me. We're watching right now. Let's play.
This is a letter from Ninjaman addressing the young man who made a post on the internet that is Ninjaman's son. I am Jojo Mac. I have never anticipated writing a letter of this nature, given my track record with children. Young man, I have no idea who you are, though I must say you have an uncanny resemblance to me. You coming to say you are my son is not a bother, but the blatant disrespect from you is unacceptable. First, you referred to me as the boy Ninjaman. Let me tell you this, boys don't get children, men do, and I've always been a man. I was born Desmond. In my early musical career, I was Ugly Man, and now I am Ninjaman. All man, all the time. I'm not sure why you decided to make an appearance at this time while I'm locked up, because you're old enough to have contacted me before I went to prison. Why now, and why so disrespectfully?
Exactly. Why now and why you disrespect your man, brother? That not nice. Big old man. But I have a video that I posted a few days ago where Ninjaman say him a man. Desmond him mother call him, industry call him Ugly Man when he just start off, and now he known as Ninjaman. See it ya? Right. Moving forward.
You made no mention of who your mother is. You did not even state your name. I have never refused a child that a woman says is mine. I have never asked any woman for a DNA test. There are children in my life that I did not know of until they showed up in their late teens and 20s, and I've never asked for a DNA test. I added them to the list of children that I knew of. I know nothing of you. However, that does not mean I wouldn't want to know. What you may not understand is, as an entertainer, women literally throw themselves at us, and there are times when we allow them to get that close to us and we never see them again. In a situation like this, if the woman has her man, she will give that child to that man as long as they're together. But when they're no longer with that man, they decide to find the rightful father of that child. When a woman
50% of Jamaica a jacket. You probably a jacket. If you have 2 pickney or more, one of them probably a jacket. Let's continue.
a woman cheats and gets pregnant, sometimes it's simply because they see a father figure in the butter man. If that is the case with your mother, I don't know. So if you are my son, you need to have a conversation with your mother and let her communicate to you the reason she did not contact your father. The number of jackets I wear? How comes the one your mother gives me doesn't fit? I reiterate, I do not refuse children, because the child you say is not your own could be the child you need. I do not want the pain of leaving a child behind. Still, the fact that you look like me doesn't necessarily mean you are mine, and vice versa. You should.
Exactly. I remember years ago, Matterhorn, that DJ Matterhorn, he was brought to the courts by his quote-unquote baby mother, or the mother of his daughter. And people were saying the child is splitting image matter on. And the greedy woman, because she want to put him on child support, never satisfied with what he was giving her, he end up a court. DNA test done. I never matter on Pitney. Yeah, true story. I was from this around 2013, 14, 15, somewhere of this. Yeah, man. And she a ball in a court. A foot a hype, they chatty too. She a ball in a court, say a matter alone she sleep with. Really, lady? Really? And I said in a previous video, to the amount of kids Ninjaman have, it's a possibility, say, out of the 29 we have, that's the last total, probably 14 out of the 29 is not his. Your man say he probably have a multiple jacket. And Ninjaman always wear a jacket on stage, so he's a man who love jacket. By the way, big up to the subscriber and the big Ninjaman fan that saw me in the supermarket when I say where or the name of the supermarket, and the man say, yo, ratings, Ninjaman. And we say, bless. Yeah, man, big up yourself, family, and big up the rest of subscribers and viewers who not subscribe. Manners and respect. Thanks for the support.
Should have contacted me through the proper channels instead of going on the internet to try and embarrass me. Again, I won't say you're not mine, but if I see you, I box off that long lip of yours, because if I knew of your existence, I would not deny you. I love my stepfather like a father. He taught me well, so I would not turn you away. No child of mine is left behind as long as I know of their existence. So if you're trying to get views by disrespecting me, I have a problem with that. If you are doing this for clout, ask your mother why she did not tell your father about you. You ran out with your female tendencies. What are you trying to achieve? That is not a good look, youth.
Hey, Ninjaman face, you know? You run out with the female tendencies. That's not a good look, youth. And Ninjaman write the letter here. Ninjaman pen this letter. We don't have to ask Christ and him do it. Man feisty. Box off your long lip. Hey! How when the gaga in the prison, the gaga in the change. Real bad man.
I want you to dress up your argument. Your mouth need counseling. You need PG, parental guidance. Check yourself on your stupidity. When Dalton Harris was on X Factor, a blogger ran out with the story that Dalton Harris was my son because they said he looked like me. The blogger said I went to a dance in San Bernardino in Clarendon and had a one-night stand with a woman who gave birth to Dalton Harris. So just because someone bears a resemblance to another person, it doesn't necessarily mean they are related. I don't deny, refuse, or turn my back on any child as long as they're straight like an arrow and don't bend like a bow. Daddy will say yes, he would never say no. Don't be the one I have to ask for a DNA test for. What is your name? And what is your mother's name? And where are you from? Are you a Valentine? Is that the name she gave you? The new talk for 2025 is right now. Anything bad that you're doing, stop it right now. You all cut out the bullshit right now. Youth, I want you to check yourself right now. I want to get out of prison right now. I want to mash up a stage show right now. People doubt you because of your female tendencies, and they know Ninjaman is a real bad man out the road right now. I am Ninjaman right now.
Right now? Right now. I want to like this video, yeah. Right now. I want to share the video. Right now. Subscribe to the channel. Right now. Click the notification bell right now. Leave a comment in the comment section right now. Me go lock off my phone and go walk right now. When the video end, right now.